This video is for bear put calendar spread. I have my Thinkorswim on my iPad already with paper money account. I'm going to tap on Apple just for the sake of this lecture. Now, a bear put calendar spread is a time spread or a horizontal spread where we are actually buying a put option, going long on a put option with a longer maturity, but that's expensive. So we are writing a shorter maturity at the same strike price to make our put option position to be cheaper. So for our long put, because we are a bear, or we have bear expectations, as a bear, we are going to buy a put option at a lower price because we expect price to go down with a longer maturity. So I'm going to go with May 1st, 2 Fridays from today, and then I'm going to go with 260. Now the strike price 260, we are buying this put at $3.60. I'm going to tap on the ask price. Notice again, we have a green screen, which means we're buying. I'm going to change the number of contracts from 10 to 1. So we have May 1st, 2020, 260 put, which means we have a bear expectation by May 1st, and we're going to be paying $360. This is expensive, so I'm going to add an option, leg, and this time, because this is a horizontal calendar or a time spread, to make this cheaper, I'm going to write a put option at a shorter maturity. So the same strike price at 260, except I'm going to be writing it this time at 77 cents. So I'm going to tap on the 77 cents. So tap on done, and then let's talk about it. Notice we're still buying this, but what we're buying is May 1st, 2020, 260 strike price put option at a $360 or $360 per share, and this is expensive. To make this cheaper, we are writing at 24th April, a shorter maturity than our main position, at the same strike price at 77 cents, just to make it cheaper. Now, since this is a, we are setting this up, it's a debit spread, we can increase the price just so that it would actually go faster. Today is a Sunday, so my trade won't go through, but if you tap on paper trade and confirm, your trade will go through. And again, this is a bear put calendar spread. It's a debit spread. It's also referred to as time spread or a horizontal spread. So, thank you.